we'll probably have to out
Well,
out that part.
well, believe it or not,
Whose cat was that?
That was mine on my keyboard.
Oh, okay.
I was
Go ahead,
checking.
Si.
Add it to the list. Add it to the
Noise.
list. The cat abuser. I'm a cat abuser too. I'm a cat abuser too. I'm a cat abuser too.
I actually did history, and there's also a lot of cathedrals and churches that are Tartarian down there too, which I found amazing. Since
Yeah.
since the country is 99% predominantly Catholic, so they
Yes, Si. On a personal note, I'm hoping that you come up with some real verifiable Tartaria stuff. But I have to be honest with you, I'm not really swayed by it yet.
Neither
But,
am I.
I did waste 3 hours listening to Globe Busters the other day. I was unimpressed, and really enjoying you and Sean's trip through Boston now.
Thank you. Well, I mean, I'm not really swayed of the actual information, which is Tartarus and Tartaria.